In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple logo animation in Adobe After Effects. Okay, so let's get started. First, create a new composition and then import your logo. Now let's create a new solid layer. Rename it to BG. And I am going to use this color. Then click on OK. Then put it below all the layers. Then hide this part of the logo. Right-click on this layer. Then click on Pre-compose. Then rename it to Logo. Then select Mobile Attributes. Then click on OK. Now select this layer. Then go to Effect and Preset window. Then search for Fill. Then select this effect and apply onto this layer. Then color set it to white. And then select this layer. Then go to Layer. And then click on Auto Trace. Channel set it Alpha. And then click on OK. Now go to Effect and Preset window and search for Stroke. Then simply select this effect and apply onto this layer. Then brush hardness set it 100%, and then click on All Marks, and then uncheck this option. And then paint style set it Reveal Original Image. Then increase the brush size. Something like this. Then go to beginning of this animation. And then set a keyframe on brush size. Then select this layer. Then press U. Then select this keyframe and move it forward few frames. Then brush size set at 0. Then select these two keyframes and press F9 to make them easy ease. Again go to beginning of this animation. Then start amount set at 100%. Then set a keyframe on it. Then go forward few seconds. Maybe 2 seconds. And then start amount set at 0. Then press U to open keyframes. Then select these two keyframe. Then press F9. And then open Graph Editor. And then change the graph to something like this. Perfect. Looks good. Now select this layer. Then press Ctrl+D twice. Then select these first two layers. And then move them 7 or 8 frames forward. Also do same with the first layer. Now change the color of the last 2 layers from the color palette. Something like this. Looks good to me. Okay, now select this layer. And then press Ctrl+D. And then remove the stroke effect. Then change the color from our color palette. Now select this layer. Then go to Effect and Preset window and search for Radial Whip. Then select this effect and apply onto this layer. Then whip set it counterclockwise. And change the center position something around here. Now increase the amount of transition completion. Then set a keyframe on it. Then go forward few frames. And then set it 0. Now select this layer. Then press U. Then select these two keyframes. Then press F9. And then open Graph Editor. And then change the graph curve to something like this. Now select this layer. Then press Ctrl+D. Then move the layer few frames forward. Then change the color to white. Looks good to me. Turn on visibility of this layer. Now I am going to animate this second part of this logo. Then go forward few seconds. Then select this layer. Then press P. Then hold down Shift. Then press T. Then select these two keyframes. And then move the keyframe few frames forward. Then change the position to something like this. And then opacity set at 0. Then select all keyframes. Then press F9 to make them easy ease. Then select these 2 keyframes. Then open Graph Editor. And then change the graph curve to something like this. Let's adjust the timing little bit. Perfect. Now create a null object. Then select these layers. And parent it to null1. Like this. Then press S to open scale. Now go to around 2 seconds. Then set a keyframe on scale. Then set amount 150. Then go forward few frames. Then scale amount set at 100. Then select these 2 keyframes. And press F9. Then open Graph Editor. And then change the graph curve to something like this. Perfect. Looks good to me. Now select these layers. Then right-click and choose Pre-compose. And rename it. Then click on OK. Now select this layer. Then press Ctrl+D. Then select this duplicate layer. Then go to Effect and Preset window and search for Fill. Then select this effect and apply onto this layer. Then color set it black. Then again go to Effect and Preset window and search for CC Radial Fast Blur. Then select this effect and apply onto this layer. Then change the center position something around here. Then change the amount to 90. Then select this layer. Then press T and opacity set at 50%. Now it looks good to me. Our animation is complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.